In the name of God, I'm Azardokht, your Farsi teacher. Today I want to talk about Farsi past tense. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about Persian simple past tense verbs. Your support through likes and subscribes helps me continue creating valuable content. Therefore, don't forget like and subscribe. Look at this picture. He is thinking about past. He said, یادش بخیر بهار سال گذشته به ایران رفتم. In Farsi, we bring the adverb of time at the first of the sentence, but in English we bring the adverbs of time at the end of sentence. Here you can see it. Such sweet memorize. Such sweet memorize means یادش بخیر. بهار سال گذشته in Farsi come at the first of or at the beginning of the sentence, but last spring come at the end of sentence. I went to Iran. به ایران رفتم. If you want to learn everything about conjugate and conjugation, simple past, stay with me. The easiest Persian tense, simple past. Today, we are going to learn one of the easiest and most useful tenses in Persian, the simple past or ماضی ساده. This tense is used to talk about actions that happened and finished in the past. So, if you want to talk about yesterday, last week, or your memories, this is the perfect place to start. Part 1, a structure of past simple or simple past in Persian. Persian past tense verbs have two parts, a base and an ending that match the subject. یک پایه یا ریشه فعل و یک پایان یا شناسه که با فاعل مطابقت دارد. The verb رفتیم consists of the past system رفت and the personal ending im, which indicates we. To form the simple past in Persian, what we have to do? We take the past stem of the verb and add the personal ending. For example, for verb or infinitive رفتن, that means to go, past stem is رفت. How I create it? With remove n from infinitive of رفتن or every infinitive that you have. خواستن، گفتن، شنیدن، دیدن. I remove n and create past stem. Look at this. Man means I, تو، you, او یا وی, he, she, it, ما, we, شما, you in plural form, and آنها یا ایشان means they. That is to say, the personal ending me, ye, yam, yad, nad indicates the subject. Me indicates I, ye indicates you, he indicates nothing. Nothing is not necessary. We just use the base. We, yam indicate we, yad indicate you, and nad indicate they. We add me, ye, yam, yad, nad to base raft and create a verb, a past simple verb. And you know, and as you understand, the personal ending indicates the subject, and it's very necessary to add it at the end of base. Look at this. Conjugation یا صرف فعل رفتن در حالت ماضی گذشته ماضی ساده یعنی گذشته ساده. من رفتم I went. تو رفتی you went. او رفت he or she went. ما رفتیم we went. شما رفتید you went. As you see, the personal ending me, ye, yam, yet, not indicates the subject. In order to identify the specific pronoun and grammatical person being discussed, okay, so that we know which subject and pronoun we are talking about, or to clarify which pronoun and person we are referring to. No prefixes like me or dar are used, just the stem and the ending. For indicate that we are talking about which person. Look at this. Here are some examples of how to form the past stem from verb infinitives in Persian. Look at it. خوردن means ate. بردن خوردن means eat. بردن they are masdar or infinitive. خوردن، بردن، شستن، گفتن، دیدن. All of them are masdar or infinitive. If I remove ne from masdar or infinitive, I create ریشه گذشته یا past stem. Past stem, we say this past stem and the base of verb. The base of verb or past stem of خوردن is خورد, of بردن is برد, of شستن is شست, and of گفتن is گفت, and of دیدن is did. For creating ضمیر من, a verb for ضمیر من. ضمیر means pronoun. Subject pronoun. من، تو، او، ما، شما، ایشان. All of them are subject pronoun. If for man that is first person یا اول شخص, I add me to خورد. I write خوردم. بردم add me at the end بردم. شست add the me at the end شستم. me we add me at the end of گفت. I create گفتم. دیدم. I ate, I took, I washed, I said, I saw. As you see, I create past, simple past tense. I want to talk about some examples for you. Let's look at some simple sentences. من دیروز کتاب خواندم. I read a book yesterday. تو قهوه نوشیدی. In the past, you drank coffee. او به خانه رفت. He or she went home. ما فیلم دیدیم. We watched a movie. شما فارسی تمرین کردید. You practiced Persian. آنها بازی کردند. They played. You can write some examples and write it in comments for me. I will check it for you. Imagine you are telling someone about your day. Yesterday, you say, yesterday I woke up at 8. What does it mean? I ate breakfast. All of them are about past, simple past. Yesterday means دیروز. I woke up, من بیدار شدم at 8. در ساعت 8. In Persian we say من ساعت 8 بیدار شدم. I ate breakfast. من صبحانه خوردم. You say I ate breakfast. من خوردم صبحانه. In فارسی we say من صبحانه خوردم. Then سپس I went to university. من رفتم به دانشگاه. In Persian we say من به دانشگاه رفتم. And talked with my students. و صحبت کردم با دانشجویانم. In Persian we say با دانشجویانم صحبت کردم. In the evening I walked with my friend and at night I slept early. در غروب با دوستانم پیاده روی کردم و شب زود خوابیدم. all these verbs are in the simple past because the action are completed in the past. Simple past is only for completed actions. If you want to talk about something that was happening in the past, you will need the past continuous. Like I was going. من داشتم میرفتم. I was going out. The phone rang. من داشتم میرفتم بیرون که تلفن زنگ زد. All of them happened in the past. But for now, let's focus on the simple past. It's the foundation of all past tense. Look at this board. من رفتم، تو رفتی، او رفت، ما رفتیم، شما رفتید، آنها رفتند. All of شناسه or ending or personal ending or subject specific ending or conjugation suffix, all of them yam, yad, nad, all of them indicates two subjects. رفت plus me, رفت plus ye, رفت. In third person don't need any شناسه or ending part. رفتیم، رفتید، رفتند. We use this شناسه or ending part to indicate the subject. Now you can talk about your past in Persian. Practice by making your own sentences from these verbs. خوردن، شنیدن، دیدن. And share them in the comments for me. I'll check it for you. If this video helped you or it was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. خدا حافظ.